This thing's back on.
Okay. So
I
we
told
have to
you.
work on that form then.
Yeah, that's, I don't know where these come from. I never saw it until today. 'Cause it wasn't
Mr.
mentioned.
Gentleman out there?
Is this something should be reported to?
It needs to be worked on.
Yeah.
Are we back
Okay, let me
on?
go
You know,
over it.
Alex is not on.
Okay,
there.
sure,
Alex,
sure.
Bill's
And it
not on
doesn't
there.
say, I mean, who's Norma? She's.
I told her to come back at 3 o'clock because it's
You know,
only
Bill's
3
not
o'clock.
on there.
Do we have anybody
Bill's
before?
not on there.
Oh, wait,
No.
this guy comes in. What?
Do we have anybody
Yeah.
before?
No, there's nobody.
No, we
The
don't.
only thing we needed to do was talk about the Millstone property
Yes.
with Cheryl.
Oh.
But we're gonna,
We'll deal with this first, okay?
Cheryl, wait a minute.
Okay, I didn't realize it was that time.
It's
Coming
not.
around.
I didn't realize it was
Okay,
that
well,
time.
this guy.
He's for the 3 o'clock.
I know, but if we were gonna do it now.
Let me get my book.
Okay.
You don't have to be in here for this if you don't want to. For that.
So,
Okay.
where are we at with the Millstone
Always.
property?
Always.
That son's gonna try to clean
Pardon
it
me.
up.
Hell, if he paid the taxes up, because that's where we're at. So we
Somebody,
haven't offered
is
us
somebody
to
telling
sell.
me?
I thought we were talking about Millstone.
Well, that's what I said. I said, they asked, did we have anything before 3 o'clock
I think
business?
you
And I
would've
said, yeah.
considered that
Cheryl
already.
wanted to talk about the
I don't
Millstone
think you
property.
would. One life will
Yeah,
listen.
well, Millstone property, there's people that wanna buy it, they were waiting for it to come to auction. But I guess there was something happened that we need a resolution from the commissioner stating they want to sell it. But I can't find anything in law or anything.
Actually,
Do
this
you
is
know
a
of
Darcy
anything?
issue.
Well, Darcy's the one who said we needed a resolution, but we have never done it with the
Because-
arcade.
Well,
We did with the weird building.
We did
We
with
took it
the
off the
arena.
list by resolution. with the
Yeah,
weird
that's what we did.
You took it off the list?
We could take it off the
There's
list
a
of
list
sale.
that goes up for auction, and we can take it off the list if we
Then we
want.
got that.
It's
on.
already
Yeah.
gone
And they
to
can come in
auction.
and pay the tax up.
You know, it's, Michelle County already has it. It's in our name. Yours
Oh,
wasn't
it's
in our name yet.
That's true.
Yes, it's
So
in
Yeah.
our
So
name.
we have it now.
We own it, but she was, I don't know if we're confused or what, because we've never done a resolution before saying you guys are gonna put it up for auction.
No, we're not putting it up for auction.
We're gonna
We
sell
already
it.
have.
Yeah,
When we sold the arena
Yeah.
to Sherry, we never did a resolution for that.
No.
No, you just, first it goes out to bid, and then the
Right.
next time, first
Right.
it's appraised value, and then it's.
Already done that.
yes,
Then it's a matter of negotiation.
right,
Between the parties that want to buy it.
correct. So do you want me to put this in the paper again for 2 weeks? Or, cause there's 2 people that want it.
Now, what do you guys think? What do you think?
Well, we gotta do whatever's legal,
Yeah, that's
but
what
then
I'm
also
wondering.
get a hold of those people and tell them,
I didn't think we were gonna do that.
and contact the people that were interested and say, hey, come in here and just.
Come in and talk to us.
Well,
I know, but
they
we
have
can't.
to pay
Well,
the taxes
Yeah.
against it. That's
Yeah.
my point,
You think
because
we
it
need to
hasn't gone to
advertise
sale
it
yet.
Right, yeah, but they can't come in and just buy it. We have
No.
to advertise it to give everybody
Yeah,
a chance,
everybody.
so
All right,
that's
well,
what's
let's do that.
legal.
Let's do
Yeah.
that.
So I'm asking you guys, do you want me to advertise it in the
I think
paper?
you'd better.
But we're at the last, we're no longer that it has to be, the first pass is make us an offer. The second pass is appraised value. The third pass is negotiation, right?
No.
Well, no.
We have to have the
First tax is
taxes.
the tax, the owner
the
pays the
tax, okay.
taxes, but that's done.
Okay,
And so now it's in our name.
how much taxes are there?
It wasn't very much.
I don't
It
know.
was
It's
less.
just a
I
junkyard.
would just
kind of.
advertise it that we'll take to be auctioned off, and then can come to the auction and bid on the damn
Okay,
thing.
because there's 2 people
It
interested.
was less than $500.
Yeah, well, was it?
If I remember right, it was.
I'm
It
not
was
sure.
like $375 or
Yeah.
something.
Darcy would know that.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So I will advertise it then.
Okay,
Do that.
Get it done with. We want this gone, because it's a disaster.
And those
Can
2
you-
people can come in and bid on it.
Yeah,
But
they
notify
wanna
them,
just-
because they could be the kind of people that never read the paper and they don't really.
No, they're waiting. It's Pinkerton and,
Yeah.
Stensvad.
Stinsman. Yeah.
Rebecca Stensvad.
Yeah,
They want to clean up the place because
Yeah.
it's in their neighborhood and they want the junk.
yeah, so it's 2 people
Raw
that
sewage
live
and
there.
everything. And, yeah.
okay.
Okay.
And they call me,
But let's back it. We don't need to do it because we've already advertised, right?
We have already. That's how we got the property.
no, Darcy advertised that it's going up for
We haven't done an auction for him?
No, oh shit, not this one.
All right, never mind.
Sorry.
I don't.
Okay, go ahead.
Not for the millstone
On
one,
that property yet.
not for the millstone one.
All right, then we'll just follow the.
So we have to do the assessed value first.
So,
Assessed value.
Yes,
so we'll try to do it legal.
okay. But no
Remember,
resolution.
Mike said we have to do everything legal.
Yeah.
One of the things though, buying from the county, they have to pay everything up front, of course.
And I think all the taxes and everything that are due, then fees, penalties, everything. And then it's the assessed value.
And it can't be any more or less than 90% of the appraised value.
Right,
Okay.
the second time it goes in the paper. Yes.
Can't be anything more.
Less.
And then if they don't buy it then they just come in. This is what we've done in the past, if they don't do 90%, they come in and just say, hey, I'll give you $1,000, it's the highest bidder. That's what we've done in the past.
All right, that's good.
Right,
I'm gonna have
The
to
third
see
time.
it may have.
third time's a charm.
Okay, let me know.
Okay, I will.
All right.
We have too many properties in the name of Muscle County. and that's
I know,
fucking this-
I know, you saw the claim I just did for over $6,000 for county taxes.
I've seen that, yeah.
And I still have more on my desk to do. Uh-huh. Yes. So,
All right,
Let's get rid of it.
yes.
That
Okay.
reminds me, we need to call Jeremy and see how we're coming with the industrial site.
Yeah.
Because we could start selling lots there. At least one.
Okay.
all
You
right.
good?
What is this gentleman's name?
Doug Deep, I believe.
This is the marijuana
Oh,
guy.
doesn't matter. No.
This is
Talks really loud.
Is it?
Oh, yeah. What if he brought some second?
No.
Come on in.
Come on in.
Don't be shy.
So that means I can talk to you guys?
You bet.
Okay, recently, I asked the new county attorney to call me, and I never got no calls, and now I'm like a week away from when I'm supposed to do it. And under Montana state law, the legislators told me to go back in business July 1st of 2025.
Okay.
Okay, and then I don't get any answers from when I ask for somebody that said that I'm up where I live, that it's all right, because I know you have a city ordinance, but I'm outside of the city limits. And you can't, the legislator says you can't stop me from growing medical marijuana or having a license at my place where I live. Both. Okay, and I don't, she doesn't give me any answers, Holly won't. I've been asking for a week, and now I'm down to where I only have a few days with the state, and it's causing me to where they won't accept it if the state hasn't given me an answer. If they say no, then they say no, but I haven't gotten an answer from nobody. And that's why I'm here, because I think they work for you guys.
So are you looking to distribute or sell in the county?
I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm trying to sell it, to be done with it. But I've gotta renew it before the end of the week, okay? And it's coming up to where I shouldn't have to wait on somebody to give me a letter.
Well, he can't.
I'm not sure we're gonna give a letter to anybody for anything.
That says you can't do it?
Well,
No,
but the voters of the county voted that down.
No, that was for recreational. That was
No.
not for medical. It was not medical. It has nothing to do with medical. You don't have that vote. That was 2006. That was voted in. You voted only recreational weed that you didn't want it in your county,
Jason?
okay? And you didn't vote on this,
So
okay?
you're saying we didn't vote on the.
On the medical marijuana.
Okay,
You didn't vote on it, so
Okay.
how would you say that you voted on, how would she say that you voted on? She don't even know the laws. I mean, you didn't
well,
vote
we
on medical marijuana.
did vote on something about.
We did.
Yeah, about recreational, not having it in this county.
We
Yeah,
turned
Red
it down.
County,
We turned
yeah,
it down.
that was recreational. Yeah, cause we offered to build a new jail and fund all the kids at
So
school.
why do you need, what do you need information from the county attorney?
Because I need her to say that, no, your stance is that it can't be done. Okay, that's all I need. And so
You
I'm
need
here
the
to
county to
get you
say, you
guys,
need the county to say that you can't grow marijuana.
know that I can't have a dispensary and I can't grow medical marijuana. Not recreational, not marijuana, medical.
Okay.
That it takes a doctor's
So
position.
you
to
want,
get-
you want the county to say no, so that we're on record as saying no.
Right, that's what I'm, yes, there you got it.
Okay,
Exactly.
I don't think the county's gonna say.
Well, you just, then, I think this right here, isn't this recorded, what we're saying?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, well, this'll be in recording.
I have no research enough to take a position one way or the other.
Okay, you're the county attorney, aren't you?
Yes, I
You know,
am, and I can give
Brand
you
new.
I can give you the answers you're looking for.
Okay,
1612-301, under section 7, a county or municipality that has voted to approve a category of marijuana business to be located in the jurisdiction, or a county in which the majority of voters voted to approve initiative measure number 190 in the November 3rd, 2020 general election may vote to prohibit the previously approved or allowed operations within the jurisdiction. Muscle Shell County voted to prohibit.
okay, so that's,
Further,
And
you
we have
previously seen the
distinguished
commissioners
between
on May
medical
9th,
and recreational.
2025.
right,
And during that meeting, Douglas Medina came in to review his pending dispensary license with the county commissioners and Ben Krakauka. They confirmed that residents are allowed to possess, use, and smoke marijuana products, but are now not permitted to grow or sell in Muscle Shell County. So you've been told no before.
okay. This is, from the state, from the governor's office and the state, so,
That's the
Might wanna
position of
read
the
that.
county, right?
Yes, it is.
okay, so that's all I needed you to say on record, that's what I'm here, is to get that brought out. I asked him for his boss, and I guess he won't be around till Monday, 'cause I would've worked with him saying it too. I mean, it would do the same thing.
Actually, you're right. You were in here before.
Yeah, that's right. And I had real long hair, remember? I was looking disrespectful to you guys. So that's the way I look at it.
So you have the licenses, doesn't mean you can open one, unfortunately.
And that's your stance. And you,
Correct, Muscle Shell County said no.
You can't sell it in the county, right? That's basically,
Correct.
and you've got the statutes and the reference and the records to back that up.
I do.
could I get a copy of that then?
Sure, here you go.
Oh, okay.
All right, there you go.
I'll put it with, that's why I came here to bother you guys. was
See,
just
see
for
how
that.
efficient?
Well, I asked for it for over a week now and I haven't gotten a phone call back or no
I
response.
do believe you spoke with Tammy and she also told you no and then
No,
you
she
said
didn't tell me,
previously
she didn't tell me anything, she
Well, I guess
dodged
that's
it.
It's
That's
kind
a
of
moot
water
point at this point, yes.
Yeah.
You got your answer.
Yeah, that's what I wanted, so.
Okay.
So it was a productive meeting.
So now, but I am allowed to have a medical marijuana card for myself and grow here in my.
I am silent on that
in
issue.
this.
I know not what's.
You're allowed to have a medical marijuana card for yourself as long as it was legally obtained, of course, through all of that licensing. As far as growing it, there are laws on that. I believe you're allowed to grow under a certain amount.
Yeah, like 4 plants for each card, with my wife,
Yeah.
yes, I'm aware of that.
And that you can do as long as, again, it's within all of those legal parameters.
Okay.
All right.
But this is, in regards to medical marijuana this year.
That's both. That is opening a dispensary in a county.
And the letters that they sent me and stuff,
They're about your license to have a dispensary, they're not about the dispensary itself.
Where this has gone to is you're gonna have to, if you want to challenge this any further, you're gonna have to go get your own attorney. 'Cause we've said our part.
well, that's what I wanted you to do.
We're not distinguishing between recreation or medical, we're just saying the statutes say no dispensary.
Marijuana, period.
Well, that's what I needed,
Okay,
was your stance on it.
well, I don't think we have any other, that's
We don't
what
have
our
any other
record is, it's
alternative.
not personal, it's not impersonal, that's the history of.
No, I'm looking for
And
your
now you got to-
liability,
Yeah.
not, your personal, thing, you know, I'm looking at liability for you guys.
I understand.
And so I have it right here, that's what I wanted. That's all I was here to bother you for.
I got you.
And just so you know, everything is on our YouTube channel. If you go to our county website, we have a YouTube page, and the recording will be on it.
Yeah, just
But
right on the
not-
website, there's a link to.
Not until next week, because I have to download them.
Well, it takes longer for that for lawyers, so I
Okay.
mean,
Okay.
they don't get anything done too quick.
Well,
All right, well, you have a good day.
you too.
And now I know where your stance is and what you're saying is,
Yep.
I have never seen, where they talk about medical marijuana, which is under the state law is constitutional right.
Personal use, yes, not
No,
dispensary.
medical marijuana is a legal right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's what I wanna make sure that you know that,
okay,
in case you don't know that.
Follow the law.
okay.
I appreciate
How's
it.
Joseph doing?
Joseph is in federal prison and they sent him out to the worst one in Texas.
When did that happen?
And I got him out of that, and he's been dry for a year and a half before they came and got him for something that was a long time ago.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, and they picked him up, they came to your jail, the feds, to question him.
I knew that, but the last I knew I didn't think he went anywhere. I thought last I knew he was out.
And he was doing very well, and Steve Hurt let him out of that state prison, because I
Yeah.
grew up with him. He was out, and then the feds came and got him,
Gotcha.
and they bucked
I
him
wonder
for
what
6
happened to him,
years.
because I knew he was doing good for a while. But
He's still doing very good.
That's good.
And there's actually more drugs in the place he's in now than there was,
Gotcha,
you know, around town.
gotcha.
Yeah, okay.
Thanks for the
That's-
update. I
yeah.
appreciate it.
Yeah, I'm missing myself, so, I mean, he's a good kid.
Yeah.
But that stuff screwed him up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it does, it screws a lot of people.
Good work, Holly. You have the right information, and